Happy Halloween from Disney Springs. Today is Halloween for me, but that means that it is November 1st for you guys. So you know what that means. Christmas is starting now. We're here at Disney Springs to check out some construction updates, but also to check out the new World of Disney, which has a lot of Christmas merchandise. So let's go check out some construction updates and Christmas at World of Disney. Christmas is starting now. Our first stop is having a look at the NBA experience over here. It is a lot further along than the last time we were over here looking at it. We'll have to head around the front and see it from the front side, but they've got it almost all the way enclosed. I wonder how far along the inside is. Oh wow, yeah, they've got a lot done on this building. Probably not a lot inside though, because they, like you can see from this angle, there's not a lot of outside done to protect what they do inside. One thing I can tell you guys is if you see all these brackets on the outside of the building, those are gonna hold a gigantic Jumbotron that covers the entire distance of the building. It really is interesting to be sitting out here this close to a construction site and to be able to see what all they're doing there. I like it, because you guys know I enjoy this sort of stuff, like seeing construction happen. Like watching the building evolve. Also, as part of the NBA experience, we've got a eatery and pour house called City Works. And it's gonna be like a brew house with hamburgers and all kinds of other stuff. Lots and lots of beer. And I believe that that is around the side of this, in between NBA experience and Cirque du Soleil. Oh, okay, here it is. We can see it's right on this corner right here of the building. You can tell by the curvature of it. Back over by where we came down across from Splitsville. This is Jaleo by Jose Andres, and it looks amazing. I like the color palette. I like everything about this, the design aesthetic, like the way that the building looks. I hope that the food's good. I'm sure it will be, but I'm interested to find out. I couldn't imagine being the person or the company that has to tile all of this stuff. Look at how much tile there is on the outside of this building. Holy cow. I'm pretty interested to find out if this is a copper roof, like actual copper that will tarnish over time and acquire that green patina, or if it's just like a copper colored metal roof. Ooh, I like that the whole outside of the building is all glass and we can see inside of there right now. I'm excited. I can't wait for these restaurants to open. Ooh, I'm over here by the Sunglass Hut and it looks like there's gonna be early access to the Mickey 90th anniversary Ray-Bans, which I think are these right here in the window. Yeah, look at that. So I talked to the folks inside of the Sunglass Hut, and there is another pair of Mickey's 90th anniversary Ray-Bans coming out that are aviator style. Nothing huge on them that says Mickey or anything like that, except for a little emblem up here on the glass. But they are 24 karat gold rims, and there are only 400 of them being made. And they said that each Sunglass Hut, like here at Disney, will only be getting 5 pairs. That sounds pretty interesting. They said they were gonna be around $400, which doesn't seem that bad for something that's only 400 of them were made. Right across from Chicken Guy, we've got the new Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill, and they've already put the sign up and everything. They're moving right along. Kinda looks like they're painting inside. I feel like this is gonna open in maybe like a month or so. That'll be good. I'm wondering what this is. Is this like a quick service window or like some form of gift shop or something? Because this all looks the same, and then this is just a little bit different. I feel like since we came to Chicken Guy and the sauce slinger wasn't there, he just came outside and was like, hey there, camera guy. And I was like, hey, what the heck? You weren't there when we went. Where have you been? I was just walking through Disney Springs and I noticed something. They've started putting up the support wiring for the wreaths and the various other Christmas decorations that will be taking over Disney Springs. Christmas wires are going up. This store right here, the Disney Corner, will actually be closing because it was only a temporary store while they remodeled the World of Disney, which is now fully open. Here we are, we've made it to the World of Disney. Let's see what they've got in store for us in there. Whoa, look at that. They have like a magic wall back there that's changing and showing off some of the holiday offerings. I like this, it looks like it's snowing over here too. And Mickey is lighting up and Goofy's lighting up. This is neat. So I guess the story behind this area is it is an old orange packing house that was taken over by the Disney animators once the packing house closed. Kind of love this. This is like Cinderella Castle, but done in Mary Blair style. So all of these Christmas ornaments are actually part of the all-over design that is the Christmas theme this year. And you can buy like a pair of pajamas with it on it. Let's go see if we can see those pajamas first so I can show you what I mean. This is the full pajama set. There are pajama bottoms in here, and this is $49.99. And you can see all of the different things that I was showing you earlier as far as the different holiday ornaments. Everything, the castle is $29.99, but everything else is $24.99. And they are the different things, the different components of the holiday print. Probably one of the weirdest gifts that I've ever seen. 12 days of socks. For $39.99, you get 12 different pairs of socks for the season, for 12 days of Christmas. Going all in on the sock theme for $15.99. We've got an ornament with socks inside of it. For $24.99, we've got this Dashing Down Main Street USA shirt. I like it. I like it a lot. I like that the castle looks like this. For $50, you've got this The Most Magical Holiday on Earth hoodie. So it's got everybody on it. You know, Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Chip and Dale, Pluto, Donald. No Daisy though. She's waiting for somebody to call her for Christmas, I think. And then it's got Walt Disney World. Or no, she's waiting for somebody to text her. That's what it is. Walt Disney World 2018. If you were in the market to buy a Tsum Tsum Advent Calendar, how much would you pay? Is it $145? Because that's how much this one is. $29.99 for a Santa Stitch. I got a lot of them over here too. $27.99, you can get this goofy, I don't know, is this a Santa hat? It's like a sleeping cap, but he's got his ears on it too. I kind of like this is fun. Lots of headbands, or mouse ear headbands, but I do have to tell you guys, the price went up. They are now $27.99, so a little bit more expensive. They're fun though, little puffy balls. We have red ones from last year, I think. We've got a couple of Spirit jerseys over here for Christmas. This one says Walt Disney World and is black. This one also says Walt Disney World and is red with like an ugly sweater print on the bottom. These have also gone up in price, but they've taken the price off the price tag, so I can't remember what it is right now. I think it's $64? Definitely a lot of Christmas stuff. Holy cow. Ooh, I like that onesie over there. Where's that? Here it is, $69.99. It's a onesie with pockets and it's got a little hood with Minnie or Mickey ears on it, mouse ears. It's also fur-lined though, so I don't think you would wear it too often here in Florida. All right, let's check out what else we can find in the World of Disney store. There it is. Yes, it did go up to $64.99 for all Spirit jerseys. Now there's a whole section of the Mickey Mouse Club stuff. Look at all this stuff. Oh, and 90 years of Mickey. I love this stuff. This is so awesome. Look at this shirt for $34.99. It's got the Mickey Mouse Club logo all over it. They are going all in on the Mickey Mouse Club stuff. We've got this Loungefly backpack for $75. Pins ranging from $9.99 to $14.99. Then we've got some Alex and Ani stuff here too. And the Alex and Ani stuff is $44.95. These are pretty neat. I guess when I showed these, I said they were ranging, but there's only one pin here and it's $9.99. For $64.99, there is this Mouseketeers jacket that says 55 on the sleeve. And then it's got this carpet-like Mickey Mouse emblem on the back. This is cool. It's very heavy though. This is pretty neat. They're showing Mickey Mouse Club up here, but it kind of looks like it's an old style projection with this weird like blast out of light on the side. That's pretty neat. There is a lot of Mickey Mouse Club stuff. For $27.99, they've got a headband with a little teeny tiny Mouseketeer hat on it. For $19.99, they've got this like plush, it's actually a purse, Mickey Mouse Club hat. It's kind of fun. For $34.99, we've got a 1955 original Mouseketeer ringer shirt. I like this a lot. Also, there is some more elements here that kind of show off that this is where the animators took up shop with some paintbrushes and stuff like that. This World of Disney is gigantic. So much space in here now. Look at this. Wow. There's a whole section of plush dolls back here, and they've got all these neon signs and everything all around. There's another little nod to it being an old orange packing plant with the loading dock being out those doors. Check this out. There's these animations on the wall, and if we wait here long enough, they should animate. Ooh, they just changed. My eyes keep playing tricks on me, like I feel like, oh, here we go. How neat is that? They have a whole section for princesses over here too, with the giant Snow White playing up on the wall. And then they've got a projection here on the ground that says, "Dream big, princess." Some more theming showing that this is an old citrus packing plant. You got like Valencia, Navel, Grapefruit, Temple, and Angelo. Also over here are these U-Gear sets. Like here's one for the train. Look at that. And then I don't know if it comes with the motor to actually run or not. This one looks like it winds up. That's really neat. We should get one of these and put it together. It's $100. Gear operated doors though? Huh. Gear operated movement? I hope you get a full circular track. Hit me after eating too much Halloween candy. Some more theming pointing towards the fact that the animators took over this area here. So you can see all these paint jars here, and this is a magical wall. You see it coming to life right there. Ooh. Look at that. Pretty neat stuff that they're doing here. This cashier's desk is a replica of the animators' drawers and stuff from the Disney Studios. And you can see here's some artwork that they've done. And then each drawer has a specific movie. So like Many Adventures of Winnie Pooh, Aristocats. Then they've got some pencil drawings. Like somebody was just kind of doodling on the desk here. This is amazing. I like this a lot. Did that change? Wasn't that a different poster before? Magic. Oh yeah, look there, it just changed. Absolutely magic. I love that there are all these different magical things that are just kind of like changing in the background and nobody's really paying attention to what's going on. Like this looks like just a normal poster. Ooh, Toby started blinking. The poster just animated. That was so neat. Just imagine being a kid in here waiting in line with your parents, and then all of a sudden you start to notice this poster moving. And I like that it doesn't look like it's a monitor, it looks like it's a piece of paper. So cool. And there it is. The name of the company that used to run this packing plant was Sunshine State Oranges. On the way out, I noticed the Village Marketplace Annex Animation Studio saying that this is an animation studio. This Starbucks on the outside of World of Disney always has fun themed drinks. Let's see what they've got now. Aside from the Witch's Brew, they also have a Frankenfrap, a Wolfman Frappuccino, Invisible Man Refresher, Swamp Thing Tea, and Mummy Frappuccino. Oh, vanilla bean with a mummy cake pop blended in. Sounds so good. So although today is Halloween, I wonder if Ghirardelli has moved into their Christmas chocolate squares that they're giving out free samples of. Nope, just milk chocolate caramel. I do have to admit, that was kind of like trick-or-treating, just walking in there and getting a piece of candy. Just past Ghirardelli, look at this awesome Fall at Disney Springs photo op they've got out in front of the PhotoPass Studio, which I believe they have some free photos that you can take in the PhotoPass Studio too, like themed photos with a special background. Let's head into the Marketplace Co-op. Here at Centerpiece, they have a display called The Many Faces of Jack Skellington. These are so amazing, but I do have to say that Marie as Jack Skellington, pretty frightening indeed. But these are really neat. Wow, I really like that poison apple one. Oh, a porg one? How much fun. Whoa, Dory's got some intense eyes. Is that Yondu? That's Mary Poppins. The last time we were here, this Disney Tales area was like the luggage area. Now, you gotta think furry thoughts that come into this dog-themed area. Or dog and pet-themed area, I guess you would say. Whoa. This dog mannequin is an absolute unit. Well, we'll have to get Bandit a fun Disney-themed collar. If he wasn't so bad at just completely ripping things apart, I'd get him this. But he tears things apart so fast. This is $17.99 for a Mickey Mouse Club chew toy. Inside the pin trading kiosk, there have been a lot of pop figure special releases, one of which was the new red-headed pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean. And it looks like they still have kind of a lot of them left for $19.99. Now the orange bird, on the other hand, I don't see any of those anywhere. While we're in here, I wanted to show you guys the limited release Christmas magic band for this year. I like that it's a white magic band. You don't see white magic bands very often. And this is $30 actually, $29.99. Over here by Earl of Sandwich and The Void, there is another Disney Springs photo op for the first place pumpkin. Oh, there's a DJ dance party from 6 till 10 nightly. Also, the Christmas tree trail is under construction right now. You can kind of see a lot of it back there. They got a lot of snow blowers, a lot of, well, snope. It's soap that looks like snow. I'm excited. This is one of my favorite things to do in the holiday season, is come through the Christmas tree trail. I think the most interesting thing to try to do is to try to find a day where it's not too crowded, because it's definitely a very popular event. Outside of the pin trading store, got a couple of cast members with some pin trading boards. Ooh. Magic. One of my favorite places in Disney Springs, the Ganache. I wonder if they have anything special for Halloween. Oh, they have a mini witch piñata. It's like a hollow Minnie Mouse shaped ball. It's got a little stand, and then you get a little hammer and you break it open, and it's full of marshmallow treats. I'm assuming these are the marshmallow treats. Look like homemade marshmallows covered with chocolate. Sounds really good. Here's a little bit better look at the Minnie Mouse piñata. Okay, so never had this before, but when I was inside the Ganache, they offered me a sample of their hot chocolate. Holy macaroni, that is the best hot chocolate I've ever had in my entire life. They said that it's melted down dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and caramel chocolate with a little bit of cream or like milk in there just to make it drinkable. Wow, amazing. They do offer it with Baileys, but I got it without the Baileys. So good. I want to get a whole cup of that, but it is very thick. So if you get an entire cup of it, be ready for it to be a lot to drink. So there you have it. That was our trip to Disney Springs to check out the new World of Disney store, the newly remodeled World of Disney store. See all kinds of different Christmas merchandise, Mickey Mouse Club merchandise, see the magic inside of the World of Disney store, check out some construction updates, and then get excited because Christmas is starting now, and it'll be here before we know it. So with that being said, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Now